Almost there, little one. We're safe now. Copy, heading in. Cub is at the rock. I see it. Okay, stay with me. Let's see.
There you go, little one. Slow and steady, I've got you.
Copy. Heading to shelter now. Stay alert.
I can feel it. Just barely breathing.
We have to move now. Keep still, little one. This will help. Almost got you secure. Don't worry, we're going home.
You're safe now? Just a little further?
Keep hold, little one. Keep hold. Quiet now. Steady.
Hold on, little one. We're almost there. Whimper.
Almost there, little one. We're safe now. Step inside. Almost there. Hang on. Bro. I got you. We're safe now. You're safe now. Just rest. Feel the fire. All right, let's get you checked out. Warm water ready. Now let's see these paws. You're doing so well. Just a little bit more, you'll be warm. Time for rest, little one. It's warm here. We'll keep an eye on him.
All right, little one. Just a small taste.
Is it taking it?
Yes, slowly. That's a good start.
You're doing so well, little one. That's it. Just a little rest now. You're safe now. Purr. You're safe now. Just breathe. You're gonna be all right. I've checked the storm.
Good.
He's safe in here now. You're doing so well. Just a little longer, little one. Come on, little one. It's safe now. Just a little taste. You're safe now, little one. It's time to rest.
fresh tracks. Big cat.
Too large for a cub. Must be the mother.
And recent. Wind hasn't covered him yet.
This isn't a cub. This is something else entirely. Do you hear that?
What is it?
She hears something. Maybe her mother.
Keep your eyes peeled. Just getting this ready. Hear that? The wind.
Do you hear that?
Where is it?
Good. It's close. Keep your distance. I won't harm you. The food is for you. You're doing so well, little one. Keep eating. Woo! That's it, all gone. Good job. Let's see how you're healing. Good, you're strong. Almost ready. I saw them. They're definitely getting closer. Time to go home.
Yeah.
Now. Meow.
They're here.
We see her. Secure the perimeter.
Metro.
Yeah.